I guess Vasu has stopped working on new projects. Let me ask.
No, I have been working on the design of two video games since long. Let me demonstrate them to you.
Let's see.
The first game is the air hockey game. In this game, there are two players. Each player has to protect his goal from the ball and has to strike it into the opponent's goal. See. First, don't forget to read the instructions. Now let's start the game. See, here's our first player and see how he can protect his goal. How would I know the instructions and controls? See, the first player's movements are just same as the arrow keys. Up for up, down for down. And for the second player, A for up, B for down, C for right and D for left. It's going to be goal. Yes, I know. Yeah, it's again a goal. See, here is the goal and here the points are added into the first player. See, it is the second point. Now, the second player has to protect. See how he protects. Can you see it? And this is how two players can play simultaneously in this game. You know, Mama, this is a stress buster game. You don't need to worry about how much score you have to make. And now I'm going to show the coding of the game. This is the coding of the backdrop. This for the first player and almost the same for the second player. This for the back button, this for the start button and this for the instruction, and the final our hockey ball. You can see my game and play it on the ID Vatsaladvik3012. I will publish this game, don't worry. The next one is the pong game. This is the ping pong game in which the ball bounces on this slider and we need to stop it from reaching the last line. Can you see? And if I leave it and don't protect it, then the game will be over. You use the mouse pointer for this game. And after my score reaches 5, there is the next level. Let me first make more than 5 points. See, here's the level 2 and now the speed of the ball increases to make the game even more tough for me. It is a game in which you can play it from both of the sides, bottom side also and from the upper side also.
Now let's see the coding of this game. The coding of the ball is huge. It uses 4 scripts.
And but the coding of the paddle is very little. And this is the coding of line, the game over line, and this is paddle 2 and this is the line 2.
So we can find this game also at Vatsaladvik3012.
I will also publish this. Play and join him. This is my directory of lots of games. You can enjoy them. I have also made a stress-free project. It is very satisfying. Its name is the Wow Project. Can you see? The mixture of the colors and the blending of the color combinations gives you such a stress buster feeling. You can see such projects on my Scratch ID. So if you like my projects and you want to give any suggestion, so you can also give suggestion in this software which is called Scratch, or also you can comment in the comment box below. I am always open for any kind of suggestions.
You can also take idea from my project to make your own. Bye bye.